Right folks, told you, been off for a week no wheel and you're going to get hounded with me this week, right? I'm going to show you a thing I've been doing for 30 years to make picket sections. Yet again, my good old friend no longer with us, Joe Smith at Benson up at Holybush made this 30 odd years ago for me and I still use it to this day. I've just made these picket sections for Drew McNee, right? There you go, that's what I do with them. That's how tough they are. Anyway, see before going any further, I'm going to give a mention to a good friend of mine who I'm proud to say is a Carrot Academy, former Carrot Academy pupil like myself, Kaylee Hagel, a good friend of mine. She's away at the Paralympics, I can't even say it, the Paralympics in France, and she came 8th in the Boccia, so she did. But they tell me tomorrow she's in the pairs for the Boccia. So Kaylee Hagel, the debate is this: your Uncle Alan and me is having an argument about you. The argument is, are you Ayr, are you Presswood, are you my bowl? May say my bowl. I would say you're my bowl, Kaylee, because you're the Carrot Academy pupil, right? A former Carrot Academy pupil. Let you decide, Kaylee. You come back and tell us so as I can win £1 off your Uncle Alan. And you ken how greedy your Uncle Alan is. And for me to get £1 off, I'll be doing great. Well, the honour the better knows another thing. Anyway, we'll come to what we're here about today. Look at there, they're there, look at that. By the way, Kaylee, you met with them yet? Have you met the team, the three amigos, eh? They're what you call a team. Hope you do the same teamwork as them no more. Look at that, they're saying feeding themselves. I've ordered a feeder for them, I'll let you see when it comes, by the way. Anyway, this is the picket section. These are 6 feet long, we cut these at 6 feet, put them in there like that, get it all hammered. Right, now look, this is how easy this is to make these picket sections, right? Right, 11 pickets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, nearly had to take my shoes and socks off there to count to 12. But never mind, right, all you do is that. 1, 2, 3, see how this fit in there perfect, right, there you go. One by the way, Kaylee, they tell me your Uncle Alan used to be a bit umpire. He let me tell him at that tape, he's telling me toots are lower. Porky poos are no, he says, well, I used to be an umpire. So right there, Alan, whatever keeps you happy. But anyway, right, that's them all in, sitting nice, right? Look at that. Right, they're all sitting in nice, and I'll show you what you do now, right? This in here like this. There you go, whoopsie boo, in that wrong. Johnny Isaac for Belfast. Tomorrow we'll be digging holes. Too wet today. Right, there you go. That's a bugger that, than that. The new table will be different. Get your tag. Your tag goes there, it's all positioned to go in it. Get your 2 nails and get your hammer. Hammer in the magic tag, world famous that. I've got a new follow for Perth there, so I have. There you go. And then all you do is that there, take your hammer, lift it up, right? And that is you, got a 63 picket section. Right, and then what you do is, we'll kid on, let's pretend, that's your post, right? See there? It's in the ground with the post. And then you put your picket that side there, and then all your gaps are 3 inch. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And yet again, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, throw it down, because it'll no break. Indestructible. The bill there is, would they pass the helicopter test is the big thing I know, right? We'll wait and see. Anyway, back to my original lead is, All the best with us here in Uptown, wherever it is, Kaylee, you come for. Let's hope you do well tomorrow. See you all later, folks. Thank you.